This here is my second time being able to cook for my community, thanks to Yeti partnering with me so I can help out my neighborhood and just give back a little for the holidays. This time around I made jalapeno mac and cheese along with some Cajun spiced chicken and lemon pepper wings as well. Just things that are very popular down here in Memphis. I still fell a little short of my goal, but I was still able to make about 50 meals and had a bunch of mac and cheese left over. And some barbecued baked beans, of course, doctored up with some chipotle chilies. Not too shabby for one dude in a home kitchen. Just a little care package of southern soul food. I did load up both Yeti coolers this time and headed back to this church where the community fridge and pantry are at. It felt really good to see that people got some of the dry goods that I dropped off yesterday, and then more people came around to drop off their own goodies. Now I'm no Mr. Beast, but hopefully I can show you that you don't need a fortune to give back to those not as privileged as us, and you can use your skill to give back to the world in your own special way.